How
Lows in the mid-50s.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
Northeast wind.
ask about cattle that have not really been asked before.
The COW project is not a pet project. It's to provide greater scientific understanding of these animals.
There's lots known about cattle, but most of that information is from an agricultural production standpoint.
There's been much reported about commercial farming,